2 levels, 634 square meters of land, and an outdoor garden and pool that gives you that resort-like vibe. That's what 210 million pesos can get you in the most exclusive and sought-after village here in the South, Ayala Alabang. Welcome to your brand new, elegant 2-level home that seamlessly blends luxury and comfort, offering the ultimate resort at-home feel with its lush outdoor garden and inviting swimming pool. Perfect for sun-soaked weekends and tranquil evenings under the stars. This property is thoughtfully designed for those who appreciate space, elegance, and the freedom to unwind in their own private sanctuary. From the moment you arrive, you're greeted by beautifully landscaped gardens that embrace the home in lush greenery, creating a sense of calm and seclusion rarely found in the city. Inside, the home unfolds into spacious, light-filled living areas designed for modern family life. 5 generously sized, well-appointed bedrooms offer every family member a private retreat of their own. Each room is crafted with high-quality finishes, ample storage, and large windows that invite the outdoors in, creating a seamless connection to nature while ensuring comfort and privacy. Step into your backyard and you're instantly transported to your own tropical retreat. An inviting outdoor swimming pool glistens under the sun, framed by manicured lawns and a serene garden that's perfect for family gatherings, intimate celebrations, or quiet afternoons with a good book and a glass of wine. Imagine starting your mornings with a refreshing swim or ending your day with a sunset dip as the palm trees sway gently overhead. Here, every day feels like a holiday. Location is everything, and this address delivers. Just a 5-minute walk takes you to the main gate, connecting you easily to Alabang Town Center, Molito Lifestyle Center, and an array of cafes, boutiques, and essential services. Top schools, medical facilities, and major thoroughfares like the South Luzon Expressway and Skyway are all within easy reach, giving you the best of suburban calm and urban convenience. Step inside and be welcomed by a stunning living room where generous space, abundant natural light, and timeless elegance blend effortlessly to create an inviting atmosphere. Move effortlessly from the inviting living area into the true heart of this home. A pair of meticulously designed kitchens that cater to both grand entertaining and everyday family life. The elegant show kitchen is a statement in itself. Thoughtfully planned with sleek cabinetry, premium countertops, and top-of-the-line appliances that elevate every culinary creation. Just behind it, discover the fully equipped daily kitchen, a practical, well-organized space for everyday cooking and family meals. Outfitted with high-quality appliances, generous storage, and durable work surfaces. Together, these dual kitchens blend form and function, offering a perfect balance for the home chef who loves to entertain in style. Just steps away from the show kitchen lies a sophisticated dining room that invites warm gatherings and memorable feasts, and thoughtfully positioned to create a seamless flow from the kitchen. This elegant dining space is designed for both intimate family meals and grand celebrations with friends. Adding to its convenience and comfort, the dining area comes with its own dedicated bathroom, a thoughtful feature that enhances ease for both residents and guests. Treat your visitors to a stay that feels like a 5-star escape in this thoughtfully designed guest room. Bright, airy, and tastefully appointed, this inviting space blends comfort and style to make every guest feel instantly at home. Give your visitors the luxury they deserve with a beautifully appointed guest room bathroom that feels like a private spa. Here, every overnight stay feels like a restful holiday, a thoughtful touch that leaves a lasting impression of warmth and hospitality. As you ascend to the private quarters above, you're greeted by the home's striking narrow wood staircase, a true centerpiece that makes an unforgettable impression, adding a touch of timeless elegance that seamlessly ties the home's spaces together. Crafted with exceptional skill, this staircase is more than just a passageway. It's a showcase of fine Filipino craftsmanship, radiating warmth, natural strength, and classic sophistication. Each step highlights the rich golden tones and distinctive grain of narrow wood, adding a touch of timeless elegance that seamlessly ties the home spaces together. At the top of the stunning staircase, you're welcomed by an expansive landing area that gracefully opens up into a warm and inviting family lounge. A perfect retreat for quiet evenings or lively bonding moments. This spacious family area is designed to bring everyone together. Step out onto the adjoining balcony and you'll discover one of the home's true highlights. Sweeping, unobstructed views of the sparkling swimming pool and the lush garden below, offering you a serene vantage point where you can appreciate the beauty of your private oasis from above. Indulge in a level of comfort and sophistication that turns everyday living into an experience of pure retreat. This exceptional home offers 5 generously sized, thoughtfully designed bedrooms, each one crafted to be a personal sanctuary that effortlessly combines warmth, elegance, and functionality. Step inside and you'll instantly feel the care poured into every detail. Large windows invite natural light to pour in, highlighting the tasteful finishes and soothing color palettes that set the tone for rest and relaxation. Plush flooring underfoot, stylish built-in wardrobes, and carefully chosen fixtures come together to create spaces that feel both luxurious and deeply comforting. Beyond the sleeping quarters, each bedroom is paired with its own well-appointed ensuite bathroom, designed to evoke the tranquility of a private spa. Step inside and you'll find elegant finishes, from tasteful stone countertops and sleek vanities to modern fixtures and spacious walk-in showers. Soft, neutral tones and warm lighting create an atmosphere that soothes the senses, turning simple daily routines into rituals of self-care and renewal. Whether you're refreshing for the day ahead or washing away the day's cares, these bathrooms promise a moment of serenity every time. Together, these bedrooms embody what it means to live well. Spaces that embrace you with a sense of peace and privacy, yet invite you to pause and enjoy life's simple luxuries. Curl up for a restful nap. Spend lazy weekend mornings in bed with the sun streaming through the windows. Or drift off each night, knowing you have your own quiet retreat waiting for you. In this home, each bedroom isn't just a place to sleep. It's your own private oasis, where comfort, thoughtful design, and everyday indulgence come together to create an unparalleled sense of belonging and retreat. The crown jewels of this home is the master suite, which offers a serene retreat with generous proportions, a luxurious ensuite bathroom with premium fixtures, his and hers vanity sink, glass-enclosed shower, and a walk-in closet that caters to all your wardrobe needs. Step into a walk-in closet that feels like your very own boutique, a beautifully designed space where style and organization come together effortlessly. Thoughtfully laid out with generous shelving, elegant hanging areas, and clever storage solutions, this closet makes it easy to keep your wardrobe pristine and perfectly arranged. Soft lighting and refined finishes add a touch of luxury, turning everyday dressing into an experience you'll look forward to. This stunning bathroom is outfitted with only the finest fixtures. This lavish space invites you to soak away the day's cares. A true spa-like oasis created to indulge your senses. The spacious dual vanity sink offers both style and convenience, giving you plenty of room to pamper and prepare for your day side by side. Here, luxury isn't just a feature, it's a lifestyle you get to enjoy every single day. For more information and to schedule a private and discreet VIP viewing for this home, you may get in touch with us via our contact details in the description. Go to our channel for full-length educational and data-driven videos on Southern Metro Manila real estate. Visit our website for a list of various curated properties in the South. Email us if you would like to buy, sell, or lease properties. Till then, we'll see you in the South.